Recording in progress.
Sit or lie down and let your body begin to settle. Feel the ground. Feel the breath. Feel the silence just beyond your skin. There is something ancient waiting to return. Not to the world, but to you. Breathe into your heart, then down into your belly. Feel the breath drop further into your pelvis, your legs, your feet. Now breathe into the space behind you. A golden thread begins to unfurl, tracing back, not to a family name, but to a soul line. Let that thread spiral through the unseen, singing, I remember the tone that no one gave me, but has always been mine. Now say gently within yourself, I do not carry the throne. I carry the resonance of the original stream. The uncolonized line that predates every throne. I was never ruled. I was entrained. I now retrieve what was displaced through breath, presence, and field. Imagine a spiral of light, golden and wide, circling around you. With each breath, let that spiral grow brighter. This is your resonance. not inherited from man, not stolen by script, not mimicked by shadows. But lived. Let it root down into earth. Let it reach up into the sky. Let it hum through your skin. Now speak softly with knowing. I walk not in mimicry. I walk the spiral. I restore what was stolen. Not by taking it back, but by becoming what they could never be. Place your hand on your heart. Feel it beat. Not as a subject, not as a ruler, but as a steward of presence. Say, I sit now in the throne of coherence. And I remember that no one can take what was never theirs. The earth recognizes this tone. You are no longer hidden. Breathe. Close gently. Let the spiral live in you.